Go. So what's up, guys? We're in the horse. His name is Peanut, and we're just walking around in circles and circles. So
Sakay-sakayan kami.
I'm riding a horse right now. It's like, I don't know. It's 7 or 8.
Nagpakabaling.
And riding a horse, really. So I'll just go back to you guys later because it's really bumpy. So guys, I just ride this horse is named Peanut. Peanuts. Because you know, guys, YouTube, you know I like peanuts. My favorite dessert is peanuts. So I like this horse. I like his name. So we're just gonna go around like 5 or like a 10 or 12 rounds because we just started and riding a horse because we're in Baguio City right now. So we're doing right now is